Hey there, and welcome to the Digital Literacy website. I am Miss Agnes, and I wanted to make this video to kind of introduce myself and also show you how to navigate the website a little bit. So, to share a little bit about myself, I graduated from college in 2021 with my bachelor's in English education, but I will have my master's in instructional technology in December of 2022. So we are almost there. We're in the thick of all things educational technology. So I'm learning a lot, and the kids are going to learn a lot, and I'm very, very excited. I was raised in church. Parents are pastors, but even though you're a pastor's kid, that doesn't always mean that you're a rock star. But I've chosen for myself to believe in Jesus, and it's been a long, bumpy journey, but Jesus is my everything, and I'm just so excited for this opportunity to pour into the Marian Hope kiddos in this way. So that's about it. I'm sure that if you're a parent, that you will get to know me a little bit more over this semester, and if you're a student, we will definitely get to know each other and all my silly things in the classroom. And I have a bongo, and I have this guy, and he's full of stickers and things. So we're gonna get to know each other. It's gonna be great. And you can always email me at any time. My contact information is right here at the bottom of the page, hagnes@marianhope.org. If you email me during a weekday, I will try and get back to you within 24 hours. And if it is a weekend, then that following weekday, I will get back to you. So let's get into this. This is our homepage, very, very basic, kind of shows my mantra, my life verse, and what we will be doing in the class. I'll go ahead and let you read all of that on your own time. We have our syllabus, and this will take place of the physical copy of our syllabus. Of course, if you want a physical copy, that is perfectly fine. But on here, we can click the link. You can read through it. Awesome. Exit out. And then once you've read it, you can enter your email here, say, yep, I read the syllabus, student's first and last name, your first and last name, and any other questions, comments, concerns that you may have, and submit. Boom, done. All right, now some helpful links. This could help out parents and students if you need to brush up on your technology skills. We will be kind of touching on these throughout the semester, but this is just a nice hub for all of these links, and I'll be adding to here throughout the year. And of course, our handy dandy calendar. And that is about it. So please do not hesitate to reach out to me with any questions that you may have. I am beyond excited for this class, and it's gonna be a lot of fun, and it's all about Jesus. So I'm really excited for us to learn something, have fun, and grow in our relationships with each other and Jesus. So I will see you soon, and thanks for stopping by.